Oh.
Look away for a second and then he'll stop. Right here. Where's Phil? Where did he? Wait, Philip, talk to him.
Okay. What are you doing?
What happened to Kung Fu?
He went to sleep.
To Kung Fu. He took a nap.
No, when he got space on his back.
He's tired. You got what?
That's how they do doctor stuff in China.
What did you say?
So they do doctor stuff in China. It's acupuncture. Aww.
Oh, I'm gonna fall.